Hi everyone, welcome to our video entitled Air Pollution Control Strategies in Processing Plant. According to United Nations Environment Programme, air pollution accounts for an estimated 7 million premature deaths every year, and it is the greatest environmental threat to public health. In fact, Southeast Asian cities reported to have some of the most polluted air in the world. Have you ever think about how ambient air is considered polluted? Ambient air is considered polluted when it contains high concentration of harmful substances for a long duration. Polluted air can cause harms to human and environment. Sources of air pollution can be both natural and man-made, and the health impacts can be acute and chronic. Human activities being the major contributors of polluting the air, especially the industrial sectors, where processing plants being one of the major contributors in releasing harmful substances to the environment and causing air pollution. The processing plants discussed in this video is the oil and gas industry, which contributing to the air pollution by emitting primary pollutants such as carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, ammonia, volatile organic compounds, and secondary pollutants such as sulfur trioxide, ozone, and particulates. Petroleum Nasional Berhad, also known as Petronas, is Malaysia's leading firm in terms of oil and gas resources. Petronas, founded in 1974, is Malaysia's fully integrated oil and gas giant, ranking among the largest firms on the Fortune Global 500. As the guardian of Malaysia's oil and gas resources, they explore, produce, and supply energy to fulfill the country's expanding needs. However, based on Fadil et al., air pollution from oil and gas production contributes to thousands of early death childhood asthma cases nationwide. The pollutants released and emitted can cause health problems. The polluted air will irritate the airways, causing them to enlarge and constrict, resulting in breathing issues, particularly in children with asthma.
Aside from that, contaminated air can cause cancer since it includes a combination of contaminating particles. There are several ways in which air pollution can induce lung cancer. For example, small particles may accumulate in the lungs and cause DNA damage in cells. This can alter the way cells divide, which can lead to cancer. Photochemical smoke, acid rain, greenhouse effect, and global warming, ozone layer depletion, and other effects of air pollution emissions into the environment might have long or short-term consequences. Air pollution can be regulated by relevant laws. Each nation has its own legislation, such as the Environmental Quality Act 1974 in Malaysia, the National Environmental Management Act in South Africa, and the Canadian Environment Protection Act of 1999. The pollution that caused by the industrial activities is subject to mitigation and control strategies. Nowadays, there are various air pollution control strategies being applied in the oil and gas industries to reduce the risk to air and creating a more ecological friendly plants. Thermal treatment, for example, involves the combustion of dangerous substances. The most common pollutants that will be discharged are CO, SOx, NOx, and particulates. Flares, incinerators, and thermal oxidizers are among the technologies that can be employed.
Flares act as a backup to handle excess vapors that cannot be captured or recycled, ensuring that they are combusted safely rather than released. Meanwhile, incinerator is used to burn pollutants at high temperatures, converting them into less harmful gases and reducing their environmental impact. Apart from that, the thermal oxidizer use high temperatures to combust pollutants, converting them into less harmful gases to control air pollution.
Dust or PM removers are used to remove PM from gas streams. The pollutants that will be discharged are particulates and acid gases. Scrubbers, cyclones, bag filters, and electrostatic precipitators (ESP) are all possible technologies.
Scrubber is used to remove particulate matter by capturing them in liquid droplets as the gas passes through. Meanwhile, bag filters are made of a filter media that has small pores that can trap particles from exhaust gas generated. Aside from that, electrostatic precipitators use electrical forces to move particles out of the flowing gas stream onto collector plates. The other technology is cyclone, which is a gas cleaning device that utilizes a centrifugal force created by a spinning gas stream to separate particulate matter from the gas. It is a simple construction with no moving parts, resulting in lower capital and maintenance costs compared for bag filters and ESP.
The purpose of our vapor recovery system VRS is to recover VOCs at the port or terminal as well as at the service station, where VOCs are of primary importance.
The last one, biofiltration technology, where biological agents break down volatile organic compounds into less harmful substances, complementing traditional vapor recovery system methods. All in all, as air pollution issues are contributed by the processing plant activities, a proper prevention action as well as mitigation measures must be implemented effectively. Employing the advancement of technologies in combating the air pollution issues will ensure a more effective control strategies. Technologies can reduce emissions and help mitigating climate change effects. Investing in clean technologies can stimulate economic growth and reduce healthcare costs associated with air pollution-related illnesses. Cleaner air improves the quality of life for communities by reducing smoke, odors, and particulate matters that can affect daily activities and outdoor enjoyment. By implementing technologies for air pollution control, societies can achieve better health outcomes, protect the environment, and promote sustainable development.
That's all from us. Thank you for watching.